welcome back to Benny's Steak. I'm your girl Benny, and today I'm so excited to be bringing you a special potato dish that is so dear to my heart. I love eating it, I love making it, I love everything about this potato. It is super easy to make, and if you're excited for this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload, and let's go ahead and get into this potato, okay? I'm gonna start with 3 large potatoes. 3 of them. They've all been washed. Once you peel it off, go ahead and chop it up in pieces like this. I'm gonna turn it to the sides, thin pieces. Once you've cut it, go ahead and wash it again and then put it into a large pot. And now we're gonna season it with some ingredients. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic and parsley. We're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt. Don't go too crazy. So go ahead and stir it and then bring it to a boil for 20 to 25 minutes. Do not let it overcook. So make sure you're checking on it. Do not let it overcook because we're gonna be baking it after. While the potato is boiling, go ahead and melt 1 whole stick of unsalted butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 spoonfuls of the minced garlic, juice and all. So our potatoes are done cooking. Now we're gonna go ahead and drain it. Take a baking tray like this one, and you're gonna start layering your potatoes. So you're starting with the potatoes first. We're gonna go ahead and mix up the butter a little bit more to make sure that we have everything down. And now this is the fun part where you get to just like layer it like this. We're gonna go ahead and layer it with some cheese. So the first layer has been covered with some cheese. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing again. Something like this before you put it inside the oven to bake for 10 minutes. There you have it. The potatoes are done. They're creamy, they're delicious, they're everything that is good with the world. If you do decide to make it, please make sure to tag me on my IG. This is the handle right here. And if you like this kind of video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed at this point, you're just missing out on all of the things. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye Z's.